Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be playing some Tornado Alley Ultimate with my brother who is in the game currently. So, if you guys don't know what Tornado Alley Ultimate is, oh wait, there's a hurricane. If you don't know what Tornado Alley Ultimate is, it is basically, okay, find shelter. It's usually tornadoes, but oh hi Jacob. Getting all comfortable, make sure to subscribe and like it really helps me out. Okay, here we go. We got a hurricane 3. Category 3 is so we don't want to get hit by pieces. Gosh, look at it outside. It's crazy. That was easy. What the hell? I have currently no injuries. I'm fine. Okay, cool. However, for the death count, 5 perished, 11 survived. Oh, someone's paralyzed over here. I must help them. Oh, well, didn't get to. Okay. I didn't survive because I literally joined it. Yeah. Okay. Someone just summoned a hurricane. Hurricane has been summoned. Okay. Alright, let's see what we're gonna vote for. Tired of breaking bones? The Unbreaking Bones Game Pass allows you to disable broken bones. Okay. Let's go to Ice Vista. I know. Meteors! Gosh. Here we go. Blocks University. You have limited time. The storm is coming. Look around the map for loot that can help you survive. If you find a shelter you need, locate the underground shelter. You can escape any disaster and survive anything Mother Nature throws at you. might get the loot. Someone found a bat. Okay. Okay, here it goes. The tornado is spawning.
I broke my leg! Ow!
Did you really?
Yeah, I broke my leg. Oh my gosh, ow. So does this other dude. Well, this other dude broke his
Here goes a tornado.
There's a tornado and my leg's broken.
Oh, what kind of... Where is it? What is it? I broke my leg accidentally. Oh, it spawned on us. No. No. Hey, I found a baseball. I'm stuck up here. Okay, it's me and Wow, that person. Let me go, you overgrown weed. No, meteors! This is so bad being paralyzed. No. It's so bright I can't see anything. It's so bright I literally can't see anything. Yeah, they left. I almost die. What? What landed on me? parts just rolled in. Hi, bud. Oh, they're gone. Well, I did not survive that. Oh, finally, the storm has dissipated. For the meteors, 8 perished, 11 survived. Whee! Oh, come on, I want to break my leg. Okay, that's better. Wait, it says I survived. Oh yeah, I survived the tornado, but not the... Okay, here goes. Whoa. Nice family. Here we go. Where are we going? If you fall from a high height, you could break many different bones. Yeah. A flood has been summoned by runner 57607. Yeah, 4 blocks. Yeah, this one's top secret military installation became abandoned overnight. No one knows what happened. Here it goes. You have limited time. We already know this. Here it goes.
No.
Oh no. Hold on, I'm just telling everyone that I'm making a video for YouTube. Everyone's making. Whoa! You found the shelter key? Well, you're gonna survive. Oh, hi, Jay. Where's the shelter? No, it said that you found the shelter key. Alright, it's really fast. Where is it starting? Oh, crashed UFO. Oh yeah, cause it's like 4 blocks. Okay, I see what's coming down. No. Yeah, I'm running. Holy crap, that thing is fast. Coming towards me. Oh my god, that's... Okay, I didn't survive any disaster.
Oh, jeez.
8 perished, 10 survived. There is hope to recover. I thought it said there's no hope.
What?
I'm like, how cruel. Alright, I'm gonna buy some stuff at the shop.
Come on, drink my leg. Oh, the UFO. I see it.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get an accessory.
You're right here by it. Time bomb.
Okay, what should I get? I'm getting a cheeseburger. So you're just reading out the types of tornadoes there are? There's skirmish. Okay, here goes. Lightning can set wooden structures aflame. Don't get trapped in a wooden building, you'll burn to death. Oh yeah. Islands is my favorite map. Glacier is so bad. We are having a flood. We have a flood coming as well. Beware. Someone's like, help. Yup, in the chat. Oh no, thank you. Frank's love, awesome. It's count 5 now. Oh no. Oh 4. No 4. I got a badge. Yeah, me too. What? Oh, Infernato? Crap. That means I have a lot of fire. I got a hamburger. Hey bud, do you want my hamburger? to make it up.
Where is it?
Where is it? It's in the house all the way in the back. Whoa, someone's doing some flips. Yeah. Oh, someone else got it. Stay away from the fire. I'm gonna stay in the water, but if it sets fire to my boat. Whoa! This dude's flying! Hey! 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 Me! I need in. I'm out. Oh god! I was paralyzed. I need I'm not. I have no I hate paralyzed because of like all the Think about it. I'm still alive. Some guys just like beating me around. Yeah. I can't.
No, hurricane.
No flood.
Flash flood.
Okay, real quick, Tornado Alley Ultimate is not having another update. This boy thinks he can just jump and then he'll be okay. But he has. Oh, I love this ship. I broke everything. No! Yeah, this man is just dropping me in the water. But I still survived. I'm a survivor.
No! No! You made it! You did it!
Yay! What are you doing? Do not. Don't kiss me. I survived and you died. I got 270. I really want like no, your doom is the best. Unstoppable? Oh, that doesn't. Retro man. There we go. There is going to be a tsunami! Metropolis. A sprawling city, not a spawning city. I'm not afraid of heights in Roblox, I'm afraid of heights in real life. Oh, this one! I remember we did your doom, and I got to the top of the building, and then it literally just like ripped the building in half. Oh, again. Hey, that's like a change, man. Alright, I am heading to the top of the building. Let's see what I can find in the big building. I think. No, I'm not even in the big building, I don't think. This person is literally following me. Trying to get all the loot. No, I am in the biggest building. Oh, he got a fire extinguisher. We're at the very top. There we go. Spawning right there. little bub. I have ice cream. Do you want some? Here. Take some ice cream. No. Tsunami? Hey, look, we're at the highest building right now. So we're completely fine. Here it comes. Well, that was easy. That wasn't even high. That tsunami was like so small. Oh, yes. Alright guys, so real quick, can we get at least 10 likes on this video maybe? Because it will really help me out. So go 10 likes on the video. I know that sounds small, but I'm poor. No, I'm not poor. 10 likes on the video, please, and that will really mean a lot to me. Thank you. Okay. This is the last one. Pentornado. Oh, I want to do the tornado so bad. Okay. Hey, Dylan, do you want Trollnado? Trollnado? He's like, what? Wait, no, he's like, no. Death Valley. Warning, performance heavy. What does that mean? Yay. Here we go. Fast. We are here. Yeah. I'm gonna go to the top of the bridge. Freeze noodle. So be inside. Find stuff. An Arctic air is sweeping to the eastern 2/3 of Robloxia. Wait, you found a shelter key? Do you know where it is? Wait, no, someone found another shelter key. Let me in. Oh, okay. See ya. Bye. 3 people already have found a shelter key. Whoa! Like 10 people have found the shelter key. Get in your shelter.
Why?
Cause I said so, bub. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can survive this. I haven't played this one. It's a winter wonderland. It's a winter Much better. Man, the wrap of winter was bad. 7 perished, 11 survived. That so far was my favorite one. What was that? A hurricane? Get to the buildings.
Oh my gosh!
What?
This paralyzed dude hacked in. I know how to do it. If he's paralyzed,
Okay, cool. Wow, well, that was easy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really like this video. Let's get 10 likes. Make sure to subscribe as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. I'm trying to make an outro. Bye.